So, I got me some spoons from the local thrift shop. We're going to use the Dremel, and we're going to make some fishing spoons. This one's cool. There you have it. Stack of handles, stack of spoon heads. And there we go. All the edges are smoothed out, ready for drilling. And then we're drilling holes. So I got some cleanup to do, but we're drilling holes. Got the vise out, got the punch out, and we're drilling holes. Now that the holes are drilled, now it's time for stickers. If you want a deep dive tutorial on it, go check out some videos in the playlist at the end of the video. Probably could have did that a little less wastefully. That's fine. Gonna be some wrinkles. I am by no means a professional. And there you are. If you really want to get fancy, on the other side, you can use your recycles to put like a strip. Alternatively, you could just put strips. Point being, it adds flash. It adds that reflective flash as the spoon goes through the water. The intent though here is to put it on the main part of the body and not have it near the eyelets for the sake of interference, I think is the word I'm going for here. Once again, I am no means a professional when it comes to putting any fishing lure together. I am simply an amateur who enjoys building fishing lures. Nothing more, nothing less. And I enjoy sharing it with you, so you can go out and build your own fishing lures. And by all means, you don't have to do this with metal either. You could easily go get a plastic spoon from, I don't know, your local cafeteria and do this very same thing. This one's a little more glittery. I think I'll do this one for the round spoon. So go ahead and for the rounder spoon, we'll use the more glittery one. It's going to be the same concept. I'm going to cut a piece roughly the size of, round it out and put it on there. Once again, I'm just eyeballing all this. And there we are. Now I could take the time to sit there and polish the spoon for hours on end and hours on end and get out the polisher and sit there with the polishing and whatnot, or I could just apply a really flashy sticker and be done with it. Now these kits also come with like a glow in the dark sticker, but I'm probably not going to use the sticker. Probably just stick with these reflective stickers. So you can be as creative as you want with these. You can go as high tech or as low tech as you want. Point is, these stickers are awesome. You know, they're relatively cheap on Amazon. I think this whole pack cost me like $5, give or take. $6. I'll put a link in the description if you want. And got me an even bigger pack with even more for larger lures that I'll work on in the future. Here we are. 4 spoons. Ready for rigging. So there you have it. 4 spoons.